Teacher Van
and Teacher Lynne.
So we're back and today we are going to make a fun art activity. What are we gonna do, Teacher Lynne?
Yes. We will make a garden using fork prints.
Yay, I'm excited.
So
are you excited?
Yes, I am excited. So are you excited, guys? Yes, thumbs up. There.
So what do we need, Teacher Lynne?
Well, we will need, ta-da! What's this? Again, you're right, it's fork. And how about this? Again, yes, it's paper plates or plates. And paints. I have what color? Yes, it's red. Then, yes, yellow. Lastly, again, there, blue. And what is this? Yes, correct. It's paper. So, are you ready, guys? Are you sure?
Yes, I think we're all set, Teacher Lynne. So here we go.
Alright.
Get your materials.
Go, go, go.
Okay, we're all set. First, let's shake our paints before we put a dot or two on our plate. Let's start with the color red. And then the yellow. We're not going to mix it yet. And also the blue. There you go. Now, get your fork and choose the color that you want to start with. Maybe we can start with the color red. Let's make 3 flowers each. Okay, for each color, 3 flowers. Let's count with Teacher Lynne. 1, 2, and 3. Now, you can add a little bit more paint. There you go. Now let's wipe our fork clean with a tissue paper. Now, can we try maybe the color yellow? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. I think, let's wipe it again. I think I want to add the color blue, maybe blue flowers for our garden. So blue flowers for our garden. There's 1 flower. 2, and 1 more. 3. Perfect, Teacher Lynne. So, let's count. How many flowers did we make today, Teacher Lynne? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But there's something missing, Teacher Lynne. I think our flowers need stems and leaves. So what are we going to do? Can we make... First, what color are the leaves? I think they're color green. How do we make color green, Teacher Lynne? Maybe we can mix just using our fingers. What color is that? yellow, and blue. Let's see how Teacher Lynne will do it. Just use your fingers. Just make stems. How do we make stems, Teacher Lynne? Wow, just make, I love it. We just make lines going down from the flowers. Love it. Oh, her flowers. Yay. There's still something missing. Maybe we can add some leaves. Alright. You can use your finger again. Just make fingerprints. I love it, Teacher Lynne. Okay, I think Teacher Lynne is done with the leaves. But Teacher Lynne still wants to add something else. There's something missing in our garden. She got it. She's gonna add grass. And very, very simple. She's just going to add more of her fingerprints at the bottom of her garden. Okay, Teacher Lynne is all done. Can you show us your work? What a beautiful, colorful garden. How about yours? Can you show us your garden? Thanks for joining us today. See you soon.